Good evening, guys. Here we are at the event here in San Lorenzo, Guimaras, where it's a very rainy night, but it's the final night of the event that's been held in Guimaras in San Lorenzo for the last few days. So we're just gonna roam around, and you're gonna take control of the umbrella, and I'm gonna get very wet from the rain because I didn't think to bring a coat. You brought a coat, but as you can see, it is very, very busy, which is what you can always expect here in the Philippines. And yeah, so it's going to be quite good. And I'm getting very, very wet here. And we are waiting for the fireworks to come on. I'm not sure what time that is, but it's currently just after 8:30 now, I think. And we're going to try and find some street food. Isn't that right? Huh? I didn't even bring a hat or anything. I'm getting soaked here. My glasses are struggling to see. But it makes for good fun, so it does. So there's a lot of people everywhere. There's street food stalls, there's game stalls, there is balut, and there's also what do you call this? Thrift stores as well, okay. So lots of clothing and big crowds of people as well. So it's typical of these kind of events. And I apologise if the footage is quite shaky. The GoPro for us just doesn't really work at night. This is our choo-choo train. Mayang gabi. There we are. Someone said, trying to trick me saying Mayanaga, but it's actually Mayang gabi. Thrift store. We'll head there first. See what we can find. We'll head to the thrift store first of all. But we're actually here at the municipal hall, the town hall. And we're coming out of the thrift store area, and you can see all. Hello, Mayang gabi. And it's very wet, guys. Very wet. Damo ulan. Well. The things we have to go through for you guys. Oh no, I don't want it. I'm already wet. I'm stoked. No, I don't need it anymore. Okay, there's my umbrella. But I'm already wet, guys, so it doesn't really matter. But the rain is getting heavy. Well, I suppose it protects the GoPro, doesn't it? But it's going to be very slippy, and there's very happy people clapping and cheering and whatnot. Oh, very windy now as well. I'm giving you a full-blown weather update of what's happening here in. We're going across here now. Watch your footing, guys. Watch where you're walking. Watch where you're stepping. There we are. Okay. Take some shelter. There we are. Take some shelter from the rain. And what's that guy doing? I don't know what he's saying, guys, but whatever it is, it's. Do you know what he's saying? What's he? In English? Polo. Oh, blouse, 10 pesos. If you want a blouse, guys, 10 pesos. Maybe we will see what there is. So you have a blouse, 10 pesos. You have shorts, 20 pesos. So yeah, why not buy some stuff when you're in the middle of the rain? So we did come here the other night as well. Hey! Fried chicken? Everyone's happy tonight. I can't wait to see these fireworks. Guys, I don't know if you can see it. Just up there is the wind turbine. So we're actually near one of those wind turbines as well. And it's amazing because you wouldn't think you can get so many people into this space, but you can actually. So it's not too bad. It's so many cars and tricycles and motorbikes because it's the final night. I'm already wet. Oh, sorry. I'm already wet. Oh, here the statue. Oh, wow! Look at that, guys. Oh. So much clothes. Trousers and pants. Trousers and pants. 3 for 100 pesos, guys.
Buy
Right
orange
there.
some shorts.
Who?
Nanay said we'll buy orange.
Nanay said Nanay wants to buy one of the family members some shorts. Nanay's not here, so she entrusts Tina to do it. But the ground is getting very waterlogged. But once we'll move on from the thrift store and get some street food for you guys, and then we'll check out. Hopefully the fireworks won't be too long, but we can't stay here for a long time because it's gonna catch a cold or something. I'm pretty much like a drowned rat now, guys. Look at that. He's enjoying his whatever he's shouting. Alright guys, so we're just roaming about these the thrift stores, and you can see that the rainwater makes them sag down, so I'm having to sort of duck my head around. And but there's plenty of ukai, isn't there? And you got a nice haircut earlier, didn't you? Very, very short. Oh, hiding. Is she being shy? What's that? Ano oras? Well guys, I have no idea what we're doing, but I'm just kind of following along now. Kind of just trying to take shelter and also find what Tina's looking for the lake. But we'll get some street food hopefully soon, and then we'll also be looking forward to watching the fireworks as well. Hello, Maya and Gabby. There we are. We're back here where we started, I think. So switch the GoPro off for now and see us in a moment. Alright guys, so it is street food time, and I'm not too hungry because we just had dinner about 1 hour ago, but we'll see what there is, and if something fancies... Hello, Maya and Gabby. Oh, fireworks. There we are. Perfect timing. I think it's a bit early, but anyway, what can you do? Oh, here my... Let's watch the fireworks from here. Mayo Gate. Hello, Mayan Gabi. Tamo ulan. Maybe. Well, that was pretty impressive, guys. It's worth getting soaked. And now it's time to buy street food. And I have to crouch down really low to get my street food.
What's yours?
What's the maybe I can't see. My glasses are making me blind. No, don't wipe them. What else do I have? Shumai, non-spicy shumai. Fried shumai, yeah. So just waiting on the street food now, guys, and then have something to eat, and maybe get a shake as well. You having a shake? No. No? Yeah, maybe a chocolate shake. How about? Do they have chocolate shake? Yeah, pila shake. Pila chocolate shake?
50.
50?
That's
okay, I'll buy a chocolate shake. Well, do you want to share? No? Oh, you don't want? Do they have a small shake? Do they have regular size? Yeah. Hey, it's so wet, guys. It's so wet. Huh? I know. Even my satchel's really wet. Anyway, we're just waiting on this lovely street food. And, you got enough money there? Enough quarter? Yeah. Quarter is money. But I'm looking forward to this chocolate shake. Normally I go for a mango shake, but I changed my mind this time and decided on a chocolate shake. So a chocolate shake it is. And this is it's the 30th anniversary of San Lorenzo, isn't it? 30th, yeah. So there we are. There's all the ingredients there. Got my shumai, guys. Had to remove my glasses because I can't see. There we are. You can see the steam coming off it as well. There we are, guys. It actually looks very hot. Salamat. Okay. Oh, here. Spicy?
Oh, I said it's not spicy.
No, spicy. Oh well. Wait. Okay.
Okay, where are we going?
No idea. What? That way. Try and get out this way. I have to quit the other side, yeah, I'm trying to get out that way, but it seems there's excuse. There we are, guys. I'm having to crouch really far down just to get through here. Huh? I'm going. I'm causing traffic. I can't really do much about that. I'm not blocking anyone, I'm just... Huh? Ducking. Oh, there we are, sorry. That's a bit better, guys. So, where are we off to now? Well, there's quite a lot of shoes there if anyone's in... A lot of shoes there if anyone's interested, guys, but I didn't come here for shoes, I came here for street food, so... But there's less light in here, so sorry about the shaking. Tina's waiting for me down the hill. She's buying some fried chicken. So I'm just going to walk up here and take in the footage for you, take in the sights, and we'll take it from there, see what happens. But there is street food everywhere, guys. So many options of... Hey, mayang gabi! That's so many people, so much food options, and it's just really good vibes, guys. And my lighting here isn't really good, so it's going to be a bit shaky, isn't it? Hey, mayang gabi! So the lighting here isn't as good, guys, but it's okay. And sometimes I feel, hey, mayang gabi, kumusta? Enjoy the fireworks. Yes. Yeah, nami, mayo gate. Okay. People enjoyed the fireworks. And this seems to be where all the music is taking place. Just over there. I really like these kind of events in the Philippines because there's just something very nice about it. and at least the rain has stopped now, which is good. Yeah, that lighting's pretty good, guys. I like the style of that lighting. So let's see. All right, guys. So I'm back with my lovely wife again. What are we looking for this time? We're gonna buy some popcorn. So let's see what. Get some popcorn, and then I think we're gonna head home because I am so.
Okay, we'll go home now.
No, so we'll go out. Yeah, do you want to go home? Oh, you need
Yeah,
to.
you bala? I don't know.
Oh, if you have something else to do, we can do something else.
Oh, sige. I will just buy so that I won't forget later.
Yeah, okay, sige. Sorry. Hey, mayang gabi. Kamusta? Okay lang. Enjoy the fireworks. Yeah. Damo ulan.
Oh,
Yeah, very wet. But raining, yeah. But fireworks were nami.
Yeah.
Okay.
So cold. What's the name of your vlog?
Tina and Dean, the PH Life. Yeah. Search, yeah.
Follow.
Yeah. I should get a business card next time.
Yeah.
No, thank you. I've already. No, thank you. Salamat. Okay. So, what do we got here? Popcorn. Some more popcorn. Okay, let's go. You have to throw the balls at the tin. You show them the tins.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh dear. I'll not play this again.
Like that lang, oh.
What? Right.
Oh, see?
Oh, there we are. Oh, you're not winning anything, no?
Dapat all.
Do you get another chance?
Oh, sige. Oh, one more?
One more?
Oh, sige,
Do you
one
have 20
more.
pesos?
No.
Oh, no, I think that's it then.
Ano ba mo?
Let's see if we can find 20 pesos again. Got everyone crowding around me now.
Kaya iya nga, boya muna, oh. Amula na, oh. Like that lang.
Yeah.
Malandaw. Nantaw to na. Oh, sige na.
I'll try to be better this time, guys. That's worse.
Oh, isa na lang. One lang.
Okay. Never mind. I'll get my change.
No chance.